Hi, this is Alex from Beech Garage. On offer we've got this very late genuine chrome bumper MGB Roadster. The car was registered late in 1974, so making it one of the very last chrome bumper cars. As you can see, it's finished in striking yellow, sat on chrome wire wheels, Dunlop tyres all round with good tread. Bodywork is in really good order. Been around the car thoroughly, can't find any issues of note. Paintwork is nice and bright. Car was restored some time ago. There's a big history file with the car, lots of receipts for work carried out. Apologies, a little bit windy today, so there might be a bit of noise. As I said, bodywork's really clean and straight. No issues of note. Lovely tidy interior. It's got the burr walnut dashboard and door cappings. Someone's taken the trouble of doing central console as well, which is quite unusual. Car's fitted with desirable overdrive, which works well. In fact, car drives very well on test. Just get in the car and start it up, just so you can hear it running. So good oil pressure on idle. All the gauges are working well. Nice period stereo. You probably saw from the photographs that the hood's in very good condition. It looks like it's not been fitted that long ago. So yeah, overall a really nice, clean, tidy example of an MGB. Great starter classic. Good thing to enjoy the remaining summer months. Any questions at all, please contact us at Beech Garage. In the meantime, thanks for watching.